Want to earn money at every swipe of your smartphone? Then don't worry, you are at the right place. This is Amin from the channel CLICKBAIT, so without any delay, let's get started.
Here we go.
Before getting started, do hit the subscribe button and turn it grey. And with that, press the bell button too. Slide Joy, the free Android app, replaces your Android phone's lock screen to show promoted content. After a free sign up, you choose your lock screen theme. You swipe right to unlock your phone and left to see more information about the displayed ad. For viewing ads, you earn carrots. Every 1000 carrots is equal to $1, that is rupees 66. You can redeem your accumulated carrots for cash to a PayPal account every 15 days. So if you are those money freaks, then don't worry. This is a perfect app for you. If you have felt that this video was useful, do like this video and don't forget to subscribe and do ring the bell. Bye bye folks.